Have you ever heard of a place where gravity seems to break its own rules? A spot where cars roll uphill, water flows the wrong way, and people appear to defy physics. Sounds impossible, right? Well, get ready to have your mind blown. Across the world, there are mysterious locations called gravity hills, places where the laws of physics seem completely out of whack. But what's really happening? Is it some kind of paranormal force? A rip in the space-time continuum? Or just a clever trick of the eye? One of the most famous gravity hills is in Ladakh, India. Travelers stop their cars at the base of the hill, put them in neutral, and the car starts moving up the slope. No engine, no push, just pure, mind-bending movement. But how is this possible? The secret lies in a powerful illusion. These locations create a visual deception where the horizon and surrounding landscape trick your brain into misinterpreting the slope. What looks like an upward incline is actually a very slight downward slope. Your eyes say impossible, but gravity says perfectly normal. And here's the craziest part: scientists still debate whether some of these anomalies are just illusions or if unknown gravitational forces could be at play. Could there be locations where gravity itself is weaker? Some theories suggest underground magnetic fields or unique geological formations might have a role. What do you think? Is it all just a trick of perspective, or could something much bigger be happening? Let me know in the comments. And if you ever visit a gravity hill, try it yourself, you might just witness the impossible.